From packed up restaurants at the beginning of the Girona Street to a crazy nightlife. This is how Fridays look like on the British street. Join us for an intense night. We are starting today's walk right at the beginning of the British Street, close to the Madeira Central Hotel. This part is packed up with brand new bars, restaurants and cafeterias, a favorite place for many Spanish and international travelers. And from here we will be heading towards the heart of nightlife, craziness and partying, towards the Western Saloon, Morgan Tavern and many more. Real sound from the streets and buzzing bars. Don't forget to adjust the quality of the video to the 4K, which is the highest one in your settings, and enjoy it with us. Bars like this one, we do have to talk a little bit, because if not the music will be too loud and then you will not be able to fully enjoy this video because it will be copyrighted. However, you can still hear it just a tiniest bit. Almost every single bar, nightclub type of space has go-go dancers in them. There's even some curious things such as robots and masks and many more. Let's see if we see some of these during today's walk.
Buenas noches.
Some more loud music out here on the terraces. This is what you see and what you hear. If you want something quieter, probably Girona Street and the British Street at night might not be the best place for you to visit. Maybe the Old Town would be more recommended, although it's not too quiet either, but at least there's no loud party music out there. This is the Mecca for partying. This is the place to enjoy at night, listen to some loud music shows. And this is what it is. This is how this street is looking like. This is authentic Girona Street in Benidorm town. That is what it is. And many people know it. And those who love different types of entertainment are coming here to enjoy.
Buenas noches, señor.
A lot of colorful decorations and accessories are being sold here at night. You will be able to see plenty of people with something neon on top of their heads, on armbands, many different accessories and colorful hats. People are purchasing out here.
Noche buena. Thank you, chicos.
vete corriendo.
Hola.
Happy
Hi. Sophie. Yeah, then we have to bend you down. Hola. Hi. Hey. Good night. Buenas noches.
Los únicos que no.
Buenas noches, ¿qué tal?
We hope you enjoyed today's authentic Friday night vibes in Benidorm town.
¿Estás bien?
Muy bien, aquí.